Assalamu alaikum, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to another episode of the Political Hour Show here on Echo TV International, the People's Choice, where we invite politicians, youths, and women to discuss about the current issues in our country here. And today, our esteemed guest is the campaign manager of United Democratic Party, Mr. Mane. We will talk to him shortly, but before that, you can kindly follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Sponsors are also invited. You can call on the numbers on the screen to sponsor this program. I am your host, Rohit Ture. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Mani.
Alaikum salam.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. Good.
Okay, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, and thank you for honoring this invitation too. Don't be this is a kundankas. Egana kisi se kundang golded. Yale itol man yisi ballo.
Non te wonyan chole.
Okay, Mr. Mane, be not nanka kuol kacha mi yalon ko right now. It will link mi yalon ko ibo concern kan na banko kanja. Num few topics be mi yalon ba kacha la killing nawek bolo kono. Fulanjam be mi coalition mi yalon science ting atlen the talk of the county. Abita ka bari ngaje election o sutiatan ne. Aning kujama do ni time yen so bol fana kacha la aning ila bayta la United Democratic Party fana na campaign manager. Sa follow ba dati la fonto the campaign manager yani. Plus winning abanyadi le saf mole abanyadi parce que ngaji United Democratic Party ba katoning so yake la campaign manager ti ngana ta kala lot ndingot so isaf mole afanyame
Abaraka rohiya baraka Echo TV. Yemi foto nyalam United Democratic Party UDP mo party balati. Alhamdulillah. Banko mole okay bering party o lota wato minna. Ay parti dolle tarajang adung parti dolle fana lota the same time abe lola wato minna bari alala masabayato parti o mo jama yi nyati linga tella ni carte fayo sita jama ka carte faya tele and consistently it have been that way for sign so ala parti baya obe loring udai lol kan mashallah so kakewo party wala campaign manager ti amanke ku easy renti baw dalilol mi je mi yalan ko siata baw ko nibe nyaato wati o wati bandiro katare normally so of course party o mi yalan ko a warta atelebe nyaato most of the time close to the incumbent all the time party ndengol katare normally ifana katare tele ngabala so wakatara jele itebe the incumbent kelela nyindol fana nyaabe lori kan so I mean it's a big task at the same time moli jiko soto because itele ka patio mi warta bake atele ka patioti mol ka jiko soto ko min si falindiro keno min na ko suti ata falindiro la so jiko ka ware kam akele people anticipation is like anytime soon there will be change so the person who is doing that campaign also has a big task so will be kunyin konole but dalila jamal le fana bigi milka tina kunyin ka sone ya ni kacha da fenketa ngalo mbiol fana folal
so say isa fondo mole fana ko folk like internal challenges be jem ni yalon ko face
comme patio kono ba
patio kono ji
no internal challenge je patio nyin kono dal hani because aketa nyame patio being a democratic party patio la positions nyin akanyini democratically andung ntel lañin patio adolon pour ka mobe ya kala motako ning atara patio la place be nyinina be ka sonne ko pati dingo be sa nyinin nole yo nabe nyinina be ka sonne fana ko beta sotnola kilinda ba sotla adu naketa wonyama be fana ka sonne ko nimi ya soto be sonna walla nga rally behind the person that's the culture, that's the tradition of the party and everybody knows about that. So being the case kabring tebe kelaji nga safele ko dol fana ya safe nyami but at the end of the day kabring election keta I won all the others rallied behind me be one objective lesoto that is to make sure to campaign to lead the party, that is the United Democratic Party, to success when it comes to elections. So everybody is doing his bits one way or the other. So I'm getting lot of support. I kuni sona nentabulu bakela.
Koya fanyame dro wala ko ko lebi je min yalon ko akado ko nyi sona andi bul sai si je firi no mol
mimba sona andi la ku kilim bi je comme sur wal kam fo ñep dañ am ben jublu way so if it is a group of individuals mi yalon ko be ñati len dula kilin la butung akam to be den tangan yola nal den tangan yola albe ko nyi kele kan yalon sona yaka kijele. That's one aspect. The second aspect is patio mi along ko we have a leadership mi along ko he is very exemplary. Du mole jiko soto ato andung aka yamaroke bake pati dingol la andung aka miyitandi wala nyente ko patio nyi lota lonkan singola la that is, it has a policy, it has a principle, a lota minkan, and then they want everybody to look at that principle, to work towards that principle. Na kita wanyama drong division boka kiji. So the fact that there is no division within the party, because everybody have one objective, and that is the principle for what the party stands for, and that is kajeko patio democracy ye tara nyimbanko kang rule of law ye tara jang satara ntenyo atakela kumba bu amde kumba amde luai mimfo mole tama wala ni doku dula long momonding ila doku dula atamandiro ye minyininka ye tama wala ni tamandir nyani ni a jalgati drong luai mimfo ay tama so mbe kulu kan wala so it makes life very easy for us. Fakapare Pationing is structured, as a campaign manager, national campaign manager. Ngalondo the bankoning is being divided into regions. So ngaminke wolam every region yala campaign manager soto la regional campaign manager soto. O regional fana constituency lebiye. Constituency fana yala constituency campaign manager soto la. Constituency fana kono ward lebiji ward fana yala ward campaign manager sotole. So coordination katara new the tema from grassroots coming up to the national level so that new moyo ninte lafta fending lonna tamba sansang b as far as tamba sansang it will be easy. It's just to relay the message to the URR regional coordinator or the regional campaign manager or for extend to the constituency ward franco tamba sansang sate morning even the village campaign manager is a information or a flow aita and in nine tanala fana na within a 5-10 minutes message kidon kafutana. That makes life very easy for me. He have to resign from UDP to be an independent candidate based on what the coalition says. Okay. Which means coalitions, la objectives at a given time. He agreed with it. I accept it. And that's why niaje atala patio nimpati kotang doi then GMC then NCP GPDP then it will be milialonko imataram bulu killing table, but they all come together ibeka kuba killing fono at that time, and then that is what ushered in him as a president. So mamera tanyanta nyinala wala. And then if you listen to him or if you look at him at another I patio law, after Cabral after a second term, low second term, I patio law minketa NPPT. But Cabral NPP law, that wasn't enough. There were political parties they oppose him. There were individuals they wanted to go independent against him. At some point he have to coax them to come together and form an alliance, form a coalition with him. Until sign it'll cut to all the grand coalition, NPP with the grand coalition, our coalition partners. Or he is himself in a coalition in as much as his party is the ruling party. You understand? So if the oppositions are coming together in a coalition, atamanya naka brush away. You know, anyanta kila jelal ko kula minya nako abekeri. Minya ntakila tela lonkan singoti wala minyenti ko banko moli banko wala karafatema yela fanko karafama ye kaunga diala as opposed to the opposition parties. Opposition parties should ateni wul manya naka i kabakunkul sembe nyola baki.
Yeah, critics wali ya follow coming like I feel like ni you'll be not na nyoka isa bondi no masakunda.
Well, it's all possible. Ni nata isa bondi no ni man na nyoka mfana si bonole. There are a lot of things milia lonko eka incumbent bondi. You know, you can see banko be tembo minto teng trend bitaka nyame mol milbe korosirola. You know, the president is getting very unpopular. You know, the fact that he is getting very unpopular and then going towards elections, you know, the likelihood of him failing to get votes, mimba ganyendela, is there. You know, because banko be koleakan, adu mul mantara jekan ko atenala man sakunda sa manage now. You know, prior sonaya. You know, so will base her frustrate knowledge. You know, na jako mul milialonko they were walking apart, they were not going, they trying to come together in unison. Come in molka funyama mbolo moy dole. You know, so mungi gis ne, you know, nuño watane pour am mbolo lolu nañu may dole, you know, pour ka bondi as he threaten nole and then he can say those things ngaji ki wo ki jafaro wala ba forindi kan wala dron, you know, but I mean, you know, a coalition is very necessary at some point, and you know, at the moment I feel like
okay, abaraka bake. Sa move on to la kola mi fana yanko wala nawek di science entendi. Afelenti batara kam bake fang. Ako kaliar ne. Sa nawek la ko ke science ala ko ke ta ko ti mi yalo ko danake sura ka xamyo ko doyna war ani ku ya fana warata bari ngal ne ko mol 80% mol life be ba ding courant bala jisuma wa filale wo ice wa filale subu wa filale ni wa filale kasula ni galasol la tenting courant sa ni nata jibe ko wa ko yare ba ke business sol ba boy kanne salo fa fen danata nak ndala camera lady ya ala mayo mankarano fende fona avec la ko so sa ni situation no ba nyamen tenting it is even a phone mo leje
avec la ko is just one little thing, you know, among numerous things. You know, me along ko abe fail kang, you know, barola masakunda kono. You know, human rights from be filtered, which is very important and key. Mol lanyanto, you know, because we are seeing a very important and sensitive issue. That is, everybody has right to the civil service. Ni mo banku demoti ye right to le pour ka do ko ke at the civil service based on your qualifications. Ye minyin ka pour ye admit to the civil service, and if you are there, you know, you should be looked upon, you know, according to your performance. You understand? Not according to where you come from or what language you speak. You understand? You know, but be minje kan civil service be nyaming sign, you know, wo be feel kan jele. We are seeing, you know, tribalism in the system in which the government itself is condoning it. Who is dividing the country and it is destroying the culture of the country. Who is so major, Miyalanko is destructing the moral fiber of our society. You understand? So for me, wuli jawiyata nawek la kuwala. You come to employment. You know, people are not being employed now. Molbe taka nyim paraste nying NGO ning fankoleto fanye dokol molbe taka wallala. You know, in those days molbe ka hamele yeta karamoto because ni jita ya feel ko you would be employed. You would write an application and send it to departments and stuff. Now that's not happening because doko tije mol ka chompile mol mbe doko lato nepotism kat ne ka mo chompile from nowhere ya na fe yake palasoto. You know, based on not the competence, based on not miyalon ko anyanta, but based on who do you know in that place. You understand? Handing atara, you cannot do the job. Just ka employment facility. And we are seeing even the president himself creating job opportunities for his friends in politics. You understand? If you look at the number of advisors that the president has, none of those people are advising him in anything. But I feel like these are his friends, political people, political and everything. I will create here so that they can have what they would have, and everything. So we'll see if I'll be caring. What is dangerous na wekla fenkoti? Mbaje kane contractual million lonko mansa kunda ka kodo donto banko dingol to yala ikana ka foko ibe infrastructural development kela ika contractual awards nyaming. It's very wrong. Ika contractual di mole la million lonko yellow unko because wol manke multi million lonko esi wo dokol keno. But just because near dealer ibe kickback sotolale wokono doko nyinte correct la and hanisa banko dingol be wo julol jolale. All are serious. So wol kono na wek baby wala kono nga mimmo yin wato kono wala miente ko na wek they were so negligent brutally arrangement ke with Senegal so that isi supply kurang tano Senegal bulu. So what montel be rely kan generator mil la nun jang ko tunim brikama in negligenta wala wol filije fo machine wol tinyata. They put all their eggs in one basket, and that basket is the Senegalese basket. And on the Senegalese basket, you have to be paying. And the near corrupt people also in the system, kodo minyanta jola purka kurao nyin sang ni wolka dive. At some point, julo nyin tata nata escalator siata. Wolfana milk supply, wolfana bajal ko julo bitaka nyaming a jobi na kala problem mote. Ibe blotala like a supply minke. Adu niye blow la supply or which means sign itala molka kurang soto nyama ita sotla wanyama fonite joroke. That is what is affecting na fenko according to ngamil moy but silang ning atalite nyanta backup kala nung ila generator la melbe nun jam in negligence mi alonko because governance system onying and negligent tell so much that more carefree if fenko man topoto generator nyil man topoto Kabrina taje ko inyanta wol topotola instead of kuetani silola ka di molla contractual million lonko technician o engineer lo isinyin machine doku no ma di wala you go and see your friend again mi ya lonko akoyengo ha ntela company si nyin contract ko ntela company si because abi jikirin ko abita fita do letala somewhere million lonko bi natalo they don't know the magnitude of damage mi ya lonko abi o machine wala ye contract ko di wala itela busun nango dila wol nata machine nil face ya joko ma machine do kunde e may machine topotono and already man sakunda ye joko dola nka mim moy wala be kering brikama nin ko to haynonte me do kuno iko ye di unique energy moli iko molma wol long into or the unique solution moli long wala wol mu IT fenkoletino but just because people who own that you have a relation with the president political and fenko so you fenko ke lobbying ke mbe wole je kam mansa kunda be tama kan wala nyama this among other things wala be caring so we failure le nati governance system wonyin kono so much that any sector mi ya lon ko mansa kunda nyanta maralala nyim banko kan abe fail lale so nawek fall into that nawek is a failure andu ngate soto no ate kenola ite yake propaganda rangolti donc you can bring people ya foko be extension or electric extension okela from here to Mankunda kurang fenanti nga na fale sanji tan sabal man kurang soto bala fele nga kurang julo nati nang nga kana al carte fay nga feketa bada nata ma fenkeno it's like ikanying minke ne carte fay aussi tay ka kalerol cika ka di molla al kala fi kalera balla nal balla hewol kelal man fenka kalera fa nga di alla free de kalero di molla nga mera kalero fenne ka kono ma nonin tuloni subo nyanda kala kono ni ma nonin tuloni subo soto so man soto kalera kenso be mebali ala ala su kono na fatala so near Kurang Saba fine in as much as I like Kurang. I want Kurang as how I want Kalero. But Kurang ying it's not free. Nyanta kas pa wala sanna. Ning atara na do ko man do ko soto mimbe ko do dila na purunga kas pa wasang. courant be tarla jele ntamala nola ning atar courant system o nyim fana man correct pour nga soto lafta na nyame nin jikita la wato min na nganna fengol ke courant frigo kono or something you know abite be tinyala de because ninge ke be ki jana wanna sota be tinyala de
exactly
you know so this nin sifal lebe wokono so the remedy for this is ka system o nyim be falling complete overhaul you know adu niwo be kela is to vote out the presidency you know because sometimes that's what helps you know that's what help ika president mako wala ika mako wala stemo mako wala ni be ko kono ika futa tembeto imano ite bono la je hanning atara at some point yalo ko imano but because ila doku ni ya kinya me ngai tinyaro minke you know pour ka bo isilata aka kolebulu you know so unless you flush them out they won't want to go out so you don't dialogue with them no it is na be dako jalale you know seconding atara ye mol soto mi yalon ko they are behind who are pulling the strings mi yalon ko they are corrupt to the core wallow corruption they are surviving on that will tell affiliate boye you know and it dip you into she all the time you know so nawek problem multi but there are no problems than nawek you know in as much as nawek mo problem to because friol dam mate ani mo jisuma ko ning glasul dam mate modol la baluwo be den wala wel damanol we want our young people to go into skills you know skills work even like metal work you need electricity to do your work moli jo kodola pour yela bogla pour foldi da pour yela koldi da kuram mansoto and already give you money itata material o sang yalande kuram mansoto ito do ko kenola abe problem wonat le ni wol maril tema so aka society fang you know tinyala be wuli ya fule ba fule mu wulol talbe sonkala be kelela you know ya kuranta yaka ko min be nati wol be mu ko kono you know mbota folal janna mbota salo kono jang ñu nawek la ñing problème mo nata sali wato la kono e ko la moy ala sali bayo man amadou no be it's too ngena so modol man karallal ñing modol me balal no karalla dol labante la bitikol soron na le yebori tata you know modol me la salo enjoy no man ko keno modol dimbal la fengoli ma karano kena you know so wo be mu problem multi kurantan yale wo be sabu so there are a lot of things minka involve around kuranta ya you know andu anata minna alama lankan man competent governance system soto mimba jela ko is a priority pour ka doku anyanta doku la nyame that's the only thing but so the best thing is to get them out and bring up new people they can make a difference.
Yeah, but recently the president funko kela comment kela ko itol gambe da mamantra power takam from Senegal fanamba power takan jan so at the end of the day sina jube jumala be juma jola
Senegal be power ta intel bulu nyaari intel ngaso where is the source you know ni ajube mboto I mean you see you can tell you the level of the president you understand that ni ajube karadola modol ka fu nyamin ning atara Senegal nyanta 150 megawatts for instance nyanta wala supply la from their source purka around the Senegal and kata the southern part that is Casamance kaje fana supply but purka connection okay kabo the northern part kata the southern part abe koleala you understand ka connection okay wala the easiest thing is to connect the southern part, Casamance, and to the Gambia. So much that ning atar Gambia be kurang sanna Senegal bulu. And Gambia ka 50 lesang. Senegal will give them 75. Mbe 75 dilala. Albe 50 le use la de. But it's 25 for ying alba ma bola nyele. You understand? So that na Casamance and be o stala tele bulu.
Okay.
You understand le? So the energy source ni kabo Senegal le akamanda ko jang akamabo ontel storage lam Gambia la fenkol ti manga sinol ti drong you know transit fenkolum drong transit storage lam drong pour after it sa supply la Casamance end la nitel sula tala wato men so ka di Casamance la ite ya muta Senegal le fe you know san ya muta wolle bulu pour wol ya di jana you are not selling it to those people you know so nyine bije ni ko be caring ko fo mole mi yalon ka atonya yata you see nyim president wona la man sakunda be ten itel nyina la ko mbe global world la kono nyina la ko ni be diamula they are not talking to people in Mankamankunda. You're talking to, if you talk as a president, if your spokesperson talk, as a spokesperson of the government, you're speaking to the world. America is interested in what the president says because America has a house in the Gambia. They have a base here. So whatever is happening here, American citizens all lebijang, American embassy lebijang, American staff all lebijang, American everything lebijang. You understand? So France be wole nyama, Nigeria be wole nyama, Ghana be wole nyama, other countries be wole nyama. So they are very much interested in what is happening in the country in defense of their interests in that country. So if you speak, they listen. And if they listen, they would calculate what you are saying. So what is important, come also in governance, mili alon ko ye kulong ye ku kanamuta, and you ka ku fono anyanta fola nyame. Otherwise, aka malole si bankoma. So that's the problem with our government and our governance system and our president. Ni issue nata mi alon ko national issue lam. Mori ye nyinenka priyo for. It's a pressing issue. You are just talking to few Gambian people. Then you confine all your thing to UDP. Because you see, one problem multi. Akatina bantala bankole if jututanna, Gambia manke no Gambia te kotanke, Gambian passport man value soto no kotanke. Because dunia ka Gambia jube nyamin no. And they can jube minna all of na leadership because coming for kuto ke kala ngala la bankol ni bentel jube le because ordinary citizens because jube you may be a very sharp and intelligent person who can represent the country but you are not in position to be seen. The person who is in position to be seen and be heard is the head of state and the people in the government. So ni wol diam tamol ka wol jube ka Gambia nol fele Gambia koteng. And it's so sad. That is not fair also. Yeah.
All right, kuma kan fana kuma ta bakel. Saying ambita na last topic ko kan barin tamo banjam fakane ila diamo kono ya adomu di mandine mim keta si fatam fansa kuwot ndu siyo la nyinti mola religion la nyinti ni anala res ni amadron akeka kulati mi yalon ko adabu ko sumayano no recently nga jere Sidi Njie ala audio lecture with regards anin fenkela problem ko no Omar P Jallow GRTS la journalist ni kata some other people min yalon ko mandin kaslemu ndum fanan iko al foroto UDP sympathizer lemu so say ndo atelem the deputy speaker so as a higher up you kuma kan C5 bona da kon na minketa tribal quote iti ajibe fo ate Sidi Njie anyanta resign la le wala ate nyanta bola a fond yejel e wala fo nyanta baylal ni like serious country la
yalon rohia o bola ko mbakala fika fo yalon for me yalon mo manyene ka jutu mola moya saurola mo nyanta ka jutu mola daji kolla honestly nimba fola kon jututa wo bola le daji ko na mankuto jututa la wala andu ni jututa mola ike kodi yala le you don't even want to talk about it ika balafa aning ika kawa molma milia lonko ika jeko pass o mari significant ni ka kawa wala jutuna momin boko nyi momin boko ntel lakari o be kawari nyinama so mari ika jasa ya wala so wo bola nyin kuma kan for me it's no strange thing to me because I mean for it's a system that is happening within the governance system. I mean for an audio kono. Ko ka abi ibe mol balikan ka palasol mara because of they belong to a particular tribe because imumanding college. Ibe mol bondekan ila palasol to because imumanding college. Ibe mol balikan ila promotion on la because imumanding college. Ibe mol bay kan palaso dinkira dolto man sakundala dulato state house lombang warante attached to people like him because mo manding call it wobi happen rende wo mo kana fo moye ni mi na jata mi nya boya kan bari wala be kering adu ngalon ko akakedu laltole modol ni be maralola ni ya lon ko imam popular ila maralo kono ni ya lon ko ila maralo ti yate bulle e ka jube be mol talala nyame be mol divide la nyame so that they can rule them easily and ni be divide la ike divide based on wuliya anin ko min man soto ite jikita miliya lon ko tonya mol la muyti adu ni kafuta nyokan ila otonya kan isite o wuliya sembo ti yanole otonya mol ika wolle nondi and then you accuse them of being tribalists, you accuse them of being anti-government. You can accuse so it happens, a man young baraka kele. So wale man young, but wale beke kan you man sakunda kono. I know about that. Adu mobe wolon. So nyimboyo la nyimkumaka wala funto ay kole wanyar do mimbe kering. So ate resante wo amarisan wo o man kumaya because hana resanta the system is there. System wo nyine nyanta bola. Anu system wo nyinte bono la because of mole minje ani e memmoy. Katun kabrate la nyim funtita. Ite laka fu dingo do biye. Min nata kayta ndiko min fota amanya laka fo. Hanning atare bebe den nin kaforal katun atefana mu musolati bara atefana mu sio diolati kabrate o ko nyimfo ando anyanta fola nyamin aya fola nyama because to nyamo manya na kake under the carpet mimu commander in chief of this country the president wo wulta kawo jabi kai tandi ko ni mistake ko keta ite laka fu dongo bulu mo manya na kawo condemn fenke inyanta akachala in house le. Which means president wo minje wala minte ko nyin nanyin kumo fo mu mistake ko lati but akwo baro o manke mistake ko ti ko fo man kumaya ka fuko boyo nyi ya fole fo ya record ya fundindi wo man kumaya but abe barakan ne because ala baro wala be mol la rights nyol infringement tribalism mimbe system wonyin kono man sakunda nyin kono wo tribalism la baro wala be mol deny kan ila human rights la ila civic rights la so not only ala fo but president akamta ko atela kuma kan I will justify le ko ning atara wo wanyarta woto wonyanta for in house le isaji yede afi bari president la level be wona nyama woto ni president mimbe wo nyama ko ning kuriya ko be kekan. But as long as wo kuriya kol bate aranse kanne ala mara lokono woto wo manya naka wanyar wo nyanta tarla lo onda kapet isaji continue wo kuriya la isaji wo sata la mara lo nyin aranse moro o president sifa wo manya naka si bank mol kan because mol miliya long min bokon te ntata sonnala adu ni momon nim fana mi yalon ko ni man den siola ite be njube kan wonyama ila tan treat la wonyama ni be sabu la ñomale because manke wonyama because mawolong by default iko ni konto mu minti o konto we siol le determine ni banko kan andum ifa mu minti iko mu wolati bari fani mbale ka den ka moke imu minti ka moke moti now ning atara muso ning kewole denta yente kente momenti bande famu sio minti because ate famu wolati wala ate kewo sioti e kon defana mo siolti mandinko mbadu fana famu silolati mbama afamu sio minti wala ate ke sioti amu minti wala mfuloti fulole nte susunde abafula afafula ate fana ni molle wuluta bakilim fakiri mili yalan ko wol mu fulolati mbari ngol kono tol wol fana yiddi wol le soto mili yalan ko nge kanu yen kanu nsano dokol nin kotol mili yalan ko wol mu fulol leti ndesi fula ya konno mi fula ya konno la nyaadi it's not possible next door here manjakol ni wolle wuluta jang manjakol ni wolle wuluta jang ntel nga dindi yaki ñu la jang menta ñu la jang nga ko be ke ñu la jang fongam fututa nyola jang ndingol fana be nyoji kan wonyama dindiwul ba fa lañu ko oncle pa ntebe wol konno la just because they are manjakos we intermingle na dindi yabe we go to school together we come here we eat together we do everything together ndesi wol konno wala o man to nyaaya so now if you accuse me of that it hurts but if somebody is doing it for his own benefit because he just want to divide me and other people so that he can selfishly rule over me that's wrong that's fair that's not fair but it's causing damage to society because nte dingo kanala ka fonya ko kariñol wol ko itel tentel fenkere because itel mu fulo intel manni ko intel nge konne dindingol be wo jube kan because ko alfali wala foye e wala moy dol kana ka fo he atil be patio min kono intel lafta na la je because yalite mo kende balate ando te be kukina ha bari ni nata je iko atil la patio natal gagnata e be fulol bay la janne e be surwal bay la janne I mean, that's very wrong. Before you mala bayla jang, until you follow le wuluta jang. Bari ka min confused. Wala nyindiko bankola luana la sartolko. Foreigners, luntangol mol milia lon koy manko banko dinti. Mol min ka manke banko dinti. Amanke follow damati. Man nin kol bijani min manke banko dinti. Man nin ko min manke banko dinti amanya naka banko ding quartier fay karto soto. Hani mo man nin koloti. You don't have to have it. Ita soto la nyaming surwami ya lonko surwala ma benyim banko kan anda manke banko dingoti afana manya naka banko din karte fay kayto soto fulo fana wonyon ninga fulo bali karte la because amanke banko dingoti that doesn't mean ko nga discrimination or against fulo lu mate bali as fulo nga bali as a foreigner jene nyen tek senela molma ita nata by default ite nata ikata fulo ti dron bari kabri nata kayto nyini ngaje ko ite manke banku dimoti amanke la fula yati wala ne ye bali kayto la ila foreigner ya because banko la loi ko foreigner manya naka voters card so ntenga objection o minke is based on your foreigner yeah not ila fula ya but jawol be minke la wala mintiko ite la fula ya e be wala tala ya bole with Gambia dingo mi yalon ko fulo le mati ya fa ko atil lam bari woti ya yi ma ñil batel le baykan ñil batel le discriminate kan that's not fair bari muna na Gambia fulol fana be wo sonna wala ite yalon ko ase Gambian fula Gambia dingo citizen lo mo tete discriminate la ko to ma ñaka carte fan ko solo ni ake dola imake because I'm fulolti yake because foreign along manani you want to ally with that person ka bankola luanyin ka ke singolaka si wala nante ka min fo mole do ko min bentel bulu is beyond is more than ka fuko lafta man sakundale falina dronga hani nyan na society lafta sanitize lale we want to sanitize our society that is the biggest job that we have. So that's why people nyanta mi understand la wala nyenti ko Ousainou Darboe whether he become president or not his main preoccupation is to see ko nyimbanko ye sanitize muli yaje ko ika minfoko banko mulu bena bopalañ ken mun ko harñaar akana ke foro da mati mu nek lo xamne dañ ko dunda mu deggu ci nit ñi that's what Ousainou believes in not just because he wants to be president but he knows if he becomes president, he would be the commander-in-chief. It will be easy to implement those things. That's why he wants to be president. That's why we want him to be president. But the most basic thing is, if he have somebody, Hani Adama Barrow, ning atra asi maralo keno, miya lonko, banko mo laftala nyamin. The rule of law is respected. Ousainou will be happy to live under that kind of a society. And this is what we want to, this is what we want to explain to the people. This is what we want to teach the people to understand, to know. Well, do kombe UDP bulo as Seattle is beyond Kafukoha. We want to form a government. We want to make Ousainou president. One day, we want to sanitize the country. We want the country to go back to democracy and a country that respects the rule of law. You see? So mo jama nyim be understand. And this is what we're going to fight.
Inshallah alma ko be sone
Inshallah, we sone yala.
Same time of taba jam fala yela ko makala ban fo Gambia no.
For today, with Echo TV. Let it be my kumakalabang for today for Echo TV. Mimudrong and this and nga domang nga sabari. Sidia jata kami folom. You know, sabarla leka doko keno, sabarla leka yirwa keno. Sabarla leka yirwa keno. Adung hadama dung nyanta balula la pour ka yirwa. Ni hadama dung nyanta ka balu pour ka yirwa. Uto nyanta sabarale. Ni sabarta isa keno. Eba keno la nyadi le. Because yirwa la author, the author of yirwa development is God. All along the author of yirwa. Then you will become the friend, the partner of God. Adung, if you become the partner of Allah, Allah said, Atala best is sabarla. Jali ba wala fo. Ko kunding afula le lota fo sabaro. Kabiri sabaro nyininka. Ete la fula njangu jumalta ko ala. Ala ni sabar lalo. Yo woto ning atara ala ni sabar lalo. Ita fana kita sabar lati. Ala e min no ibe wala nola. Ala e arts le no, arts work to beautify. If you want to beautify, kono ni aje eye catching sometimes near that. You have multiple colors of things. You understand? Wala naka beautify. You know? Na Gambia flag ni aja beautiful thing. It has multiple colors. It has red, it has blue, it has green, it has white. You know? So ni kita sabarlati ibalo nalko divergence in views is as normal as creation. Nikita sabarlati, ibuka more discriminate because akafola ko money. Nikita sabarlati ika alayale. Adu ni alayata ika mo be konti. Alay mo konti nyaming. Ala mo ay mol plus nyaming ika mol plus wala nyama. Aka mo judge based on your attitude. That's all. Ndafta Gambian koliye sabari. Mimman tonya ya bulakafo. More fana e londo soto minna yofo. You can be a fine scholar in Islam. But tumando politikoto. Ani moya tamandinya ima long. Ni ma long akarang. Ni ma karang woto itela scholar ya in Islam. Yemin karang wo preach. I'm saying this because it reminds me of one Chebu Cham, Imam Chebu Cham. Ngamoy abe nyinko fola nying tribalism ko mi alonko. This boy can mean for me I think I offer ko we mean for anotale discrimination can more discriminate tribalism anotale kunorim ba alaman lafala manyinya man think. In turn he came to say ko ola conversation on the boy mi alonko Mimu Omar P. Jallow me yo record ka reveal ako we minke revealing the wrong is worse than nyimboyo mi nyim kuma kan jawfo is worse than that. Ya mumu filibante reality kunorim ko mi nyembuta anabe tinyaro ke kan ka wo wanyar ita ko wanyar wo is wrong wala jawyata ka bara oro ya mumu filibante ya quality abe min confuse kan wala mintiko niko fitino nabe sino la kana kuning o fitinol bijele ni moye error ke killing against one person, one individual. You make an error against one individual. Ila for ko fala and you know you don't want to reveal that to the person so that we go far. What is one person? Yalo wo bijele safo ha kana fonyi nyimfala kumo fonyi ma yin neng ay karile neng adu ni afuta ni nyimma ko kariye nen asifitino kada woto kana afuta ndama ate yamari ko abe nendiro minna ay nendiro min ka haya kotuje akana ke kotenke bari ni system o be takan maralo mi ya lonko abe mol discriminate kan against ala e minfo o manke against one person it's a system mi yalon ko be ron kan mo bala do ko la ya bali ala place oto ya bayje because iko mandin ko le mati ate mo jelle be depending wo kan ayala crowning londo min beke he went to school he went to university so that as a qualification sort of for that job and he is doing the job competently according to the law just because he's a mandinka iko ya bay woto system o min be wo sifa ke kan mo nyanta promote la because of ala doko ay kuluwo min soto ala doko kono doko ni nyanta compensate la because of ay kuluwo ni fama jominke ani amam pare tilimbali ya minna fo ya jeko he need to be promoted itako he will not be promoted because he's a mandinka system o min be wo kekan yeah pour moye na kay tandiko wo system o le be kering wo nyanta wanyar la wo nyanta stop la itako wo kana of mol kana of wa itama lo be kering wonyante wanyar la ku no de wonyante ka wanyar la ay long min ba ke kan ay repent dol mil fona ba ke kan ya stop this is against the state this is against nature something against nature moro wonyante expose la le o manyana ka tara under the carpet so this is not against one person and one person this is a system against entire tribe ethnicity nita ko yow ke on da kapan aliye de wala andu beta kan na ko man fo buto beta kan e be mo discriminate kan mol mi yalan ko ila hakko wala be wo man sakunda kono mol si de wo ko wala cebo nal man ko long politiko la ko to anim banko kamara nyamin al da boto alif lam lim mi male min long ali wo fodam mol yetron ngata mol mi fana alif lam mim long ye moya ko long ye bankol kamara nyami yo fana long wol fana si wofo bol nyam ita be lon non you know so ko be wala nyama you know lo donu talibem do dom serignam nga kata nga ke talibo to kol kono be ko kun ninto nga ke nga talibo kono isa jensi ke morolti wo kol kono mbol karafa banko mon la nga lonko ku kilim bukatu ni nga fonya na nyimbanko republic sa dawda bi jang sanji tan saba bara ala man sakunda tatale bara nyimbanko tujanne bar mil bino ala man sakunda ita tajanne kutenke balu wokono ni baluta an kolbe jamme na ta jang sanyi monni fula ala man sakunda kita nyaawnya bara tatale baro fana sa lonko abitale bar yil be ni tata mune kake mol ka mine karang kol kono mil be man sakundal kono ikatara ibe nun nyaadile ani labanta nyaadile wolbe mo nyanta wolbe karanale pour kana ñom mistake wol ke baro fana nyanta wol lonna ana mol fana nyanta wol lonna e kana banko mol tardendi ya lon koy bitale natare bitala utay bu ñi matu jang isaji electoral commission min bijang ni conducting ke with the elections according to the rule of law atata nyama ni man sakunda do nata asa lonko ñil fana be nu janne e fana ye dangoleke idan tada mi ñi don fana sataje ba ni te ko be sila ko ita dam malam moro bo nyaka naka bu problem wolti adon asifa lam ni ikati nyaro ke so much that ni bota aka kole apuye sijang baraka kole apu mo le yam fu fana because ibo nya amanyinya ndafta nga karam wokono ino nga hakilotu wol dol beto nga lonko nyimbanko mbe baki ni fakiling nga lonko nyimbanko mu duwa bankol ti ko banko tan dol be nyami yon si duwa la lié pour ye me isaje si me duwa la nye isaje kairo nin tankun si sabati nyimbanko kan lafta min na koleya ay tala ntela duwa la bon be kala minti nga jiko ni lanno min soto alaji usen da boto nga korosi nyami nga jaya fansan sa musifal minna miro ni ngani yomi mbala nyim banko e mbedwa kala pour ay nyim banko mara ko aka fo nyami 5 years ay banko lo on a strong footing 5 years ay ta tumando on te kamin fo ngaji ko jamabe wala fola ko ni mba fola ko ninga lonno nyim banko mara kato usenu mamirabe tembo min to kuya saf ko tanke duniya kono ni safu ko president ya ba kufandilale so that mutako he would live life new again among announced as the head of state of the Gambia drunk. But head of state of the Gambia janta bunyani horomo nim balunya min sotala usenu ya balule wo birimbi mansi anda ba konole mashallah oto mi yo saf bi wolom nyinti ko abi mune kala jang na fata mol yafo komi mol ka modol fana fo nyame miliyan ko baro nyimma kala banko kan ifata abi wodam wala ya saf oto nabi wo nyama iko ni itata fo itadula e malong ika muri bodulale gambian ko lafta nga wala ke nga murum bodula milie kudallong ya kudan siloli tandinna mbedwala usenu ye simala anin jata kenda ya anin harje firimba anin tanko ni suturo ni kando anin manta beon banko mol sije ko batunga chance di nyinna bang ayin banko maranga jibe tumando Senegal in koli min fo Ablaye Wade la koto ameta banko nyinna bar kabra soto ya lon ko put on a foundation hanibi ibitakan walla tumando Gambia fana betar la walla alhamdulillah.
Okay, abaraka bake kuma kaw nyata hasiyata alma be soni adra alma sabayaka.
Amen.
Ka fo idron fana ko invitation. No, thank you very much for honoring. Do ya fa nyame ndro for bi kacha for now. But inshallah mbado fana so dala very meaningful and interesting one
fana. Bina dun na campaign lo kono.
Exactly.
Anytime cool bilari nyaaw nyan si benno lo ko kacha.
Inshallah. Viewers all ka fale dron ko Allah baraka bake be in honorable guest wala Mr. Pamane Tingatra Sotoja nga kuwal kacha mi yalon ko akuma yata bakela Eco TV International the People's Choice wala bale jang ko kuwal natale na mi yalon ko e banna banko kanja political awasole al nal badi maro yetu ture Allah baraka